The Gears of War S14. Making its maiden voyage to Dante's new shop. When do you bring this in Walk City?
Whatever runs again.
He gonna put
Progress update.
Moving backwards every time I post at this point. Shit was running and driving.
You're just, I mean, you're already on here.
I don't think you'll scrape.
Dante's saying he scrapes though.
Not really.
Yeah, I'm saying here.
Oh.
Like in my pocket. Or this snake.
That's crazy.
It is one shot or nothing. What do you mean corrected as I drive on?
You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity doesn't come.
Kind of crooked. Shits are locked in, dude.
Yeah. Looked in, it's like pitch at the top. Look at that.
You can't total the car.
We're almost. Wait, you got your e-brake up? Go, yeah, let go. Let go.
Tell him to get out.
Rocket.
What are you doing, JC? Wait.
Go, let go of the brake. You're good. Go up. Let off the brake. Oh, Jesus. Did he say that's his frame? It's not his fucking frame. You're good. Holy.
Oh, he's like going off on this side. I mean, I guess if we're going not far. Wait, yo, you gotta cut the wheel to the left and we're gonna push you up.
Turn it towards us. Turn it this way.
What are you talking about?
And we're gonna back. Oh wait. Oh no. Okay. No, I was gonna say to back it up a little bit.
There's wait, you're gonna back off the thing. I was watching memes while we're moving the trailer. What is he doing?
You're good.
Bro's getting his scrolls in.
It works.
You getting your scrolls in?
No, actually, let me clock in.
First one.
Shit. Let's click. Come on.
Oh, I saw that one. Oh, that's a good one.
Shut up, bro. I look crusty. Dude, what the fuck?
Yo, I don't think I can put that on YouTube.
Bro, okay, I went the same speed.
fucking fast, dude.
I went the same speed pulling fucking Steve and just strapped to the back. I'm so scared. Scared of what? Just drive forwards if you need.
If you fall off, that's some Fast and Furious stuff.
The only thing that would make you fall off is your brake system not working. If it fails on you right now.
Bro, we can go faster.
My dumbass just hit my brakes harder, seeing your brake lights go on like I was about to rip.
Basically, when he's out of town, he'd be tripping, he'd be on one.
When I'm out of town, I'll be tripping, I'll be on.
When I'm out of town, I be tripping, I be on one.
When I'm out of town.
Miami on one.
Oh!
Oh, did you fly off?
No.
Bro, this is probably the
Fuck
fastest this
now.
thing's ever gone.
Bro, we're gonna slide this corner. It's a 240, bro.
Want to see this drift, dude?
Oh shit, be careful, there's people crossing.
The new shop. Sneak peek. Dante's car. There's a bathroom. We made it to the shop. Jose's here. What's up, Jose?
Nothing much. About to push this. Used to be running car.
I mean, the engine's still in
Yeah.
it. Bro's still getting his scrolls in. Bro, if you don't trust me, bro.
What I
He said, I definitely don't.
he'll buy you a new exhaust.
It won't break. Trust. I'll put a parlay on it.
I don't know.
Bro's still scrolling. Bro, you gotta stop scrolling, bro. Bro,
No, I gotta figure out how to do this thing.
bro's just scrolling, bro. This is crazy. Oh, you're calling him?
Hey, can I call you back?
Right
now.
You're doing what?
I'm with my friends right now.
Oh, okay.
He's gotta scroll.
I was gonna ask if you wanted to unload the car.
Just let me get a couple more scrolls in like 3, and I'll be good.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain.
It's a good one. I might post that one. Repost, you know? I need some Minervas. Hey, anybody watching this got some Minervas? Add Jordan Bacardi, bitch.
I need you nervous.
This,
Yeah, we're gonna push you back until the rear wheels go onto the things.
don't you have crank windows in this thing?
Yep.
Alright, I'll stand behind it.
Yeah, that's what happens when you put the weight farther back on the trailer. No. I just want to make sure they're lined up. Are we?
Yeah, just keep your wheel straight.
Yeah, keep the wheel straight. Just go back. You can stop halfway down.
Yeah, you could feel it too. Go slow, bro.
At the frame.
Well, we could jack it up. Or we could jack it from the front and lift it up on it.
Oh, it's the frame. This is fucked.
Is it the frame?
I mean, it's beached.
No, beach for sure.
Yeah, but is it hanging up on something other than the frame? Or is it just...
See, because
Yeah.
Move it while it's jacked up.
Should have came off when you shot. You the jack's in the hole.
The tires are still on the ground too. It's the bed that went in.
My trans is clear too. I'm about to get on the trans. You're clear.
you're good.
Yeah, you're like, it's gonna roll back, bro.
Just roll back all the way.
Yeah. Watch your hand.
Yeah. You're okay now.
Just go slow.
Down all the way. Give it a little push.
I think it is.
Hold on. Hold on.
Look, wait.
Are you on it?
I think it's the exhaust. Look, I'm saying, look. Take a look from the front. Yeah, his exhaust flange is fucking on the thing.
Oh, we fucked my shit up.
Oh, yeah.
It's your exhaust is sitting on it.
Nah, it's good, bro. It's good. I saw it. It's not fucked.
Kid got one brain cell.
Bro, if you don't trust me, bro.
I should have paid John the $50. He had a winch and everything.
Yo, your foot's on the brake, right?
Oh, wait. Alright, pull the e-brake now. We're good. Okay. We just gotta push it forward a little bit.
I would just like stay in it, and then when you start to feel yourself roll back, hit the brakes, and then just keep jacking it up.
I can't lift the rear end of the truck up.
What if you can crank this up on it?
I'm gonna say, why didn't you?
How much weight is that jack rated for?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
I probably would have put that down and then jacked it up.
Is there clearance?
You want me to crank it? Pause.
Still there.
You want me to crank it?
Yeah, you're clear now.
Yeah, you are.
There you go.
Below.
You know, if you put it like this way, you know what I mean?
You're good.
Yeah, no, you're good. Bro, I told you it was good.
If the truck isn't gonna fall, it's in park. No. Fucking start running right away, both of you.
One small leap,
It's just total
For
now. My
me.
fucking exhaust is fucking.
one large leap for mankind.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Drift car shit. This guy's all my guns snapped off. And I fucking.
Oh my, dude, it's not. You're not gonna break your
Freaking
headers.
bald now and everything after that. Scared all the hairs off.
Didn't bend it. It fucking sat.
I think Ben Savola.
You hit it hit the frame and then it started resting on the
So
exhaust.
how quick were we gonna frame it? Let's-
Oh, dude, this thing's total, bro. I'll give you 2,500. 2,500 today.
Look at this.
This thing's total.
Fucking actually moved like an inch. Oh my god, I ripped my floor over.
No, it did not.
A little bit. 7 feet floor.
Bro, what?
That was really fucking fancy. Right here. That shit fucking broke my neck.
Nah, bro, it's not that bad. It's really not that bad. Dude, half the S chassis at the track was like this.
Gianna towing company for this shit. You can just roll from the wheels. It's easier to push in. Oh, hips are moving. Straighten, right? Yeah. We can put the rear on. I would say that makes sense. Like personally, I agree.
That's not a crazy take.
It's not, honestly. I've heard worse than it. Like, you're not gonna, hit anything. Just go. Trust me. You don't trust me?
Bro, if you don't trust me, bro.
Oh shit. It's stuck.